Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sharidi, how are you
Uh,
doing?
Hi, I'm good. So we are in different places today. We could not meet and shoot a video. So this is how we're bringing this to you by doing this video call.
Okay, so both of us have our list of books we wanted to read this year, and we haven't really gotten to them yet. So we've put it on our bucket list, and we have taken an oath that we'll finish it by this year end,
Yeah,
and we'll be reviewing it
we
as
at
and when we
least
go.
want to try.
Yes.
Yeah. And just like every other person, we also have books that we have bought and we have not read it. So we want to read, we've taken two books each. We want to read these books and we want to give a review of those books by the end of the year, maybe by December.
Yeah.
The first book I am talking about is called Where the Crawdads Sing. This book is written by Delia Owens, and this is one of the bestsellers in 2018, 19, and 2020 consecutively. And Barnes and Nobles have named this book a must read, and it is also the bestseller according to New York Times. So this book is set in North Carolina. It's a thriller, and it has two timelines that is going on, like two timelines as in two perspectives. And one timeline is revolves around a girl named Kya, and she's kind of raising herself in the marshes of North Carolina. And another timeline is set where an investigation, a murder investigation, is going on in North Carolina. So I cannot wait to read this book and review it by December.
Wow, sounds really interesting, and I
Yeah, it
cannot wait to
is.
hear your review.
Yeah. So, what is the book that you have chosen?
Okay, so the book I've chosen is called The Vanishing Half. It's written by Britt Bennett. This is a bestseller as well, and it is praised highly to be known as it has a mesmerizing literary flair and a twistful plot, and also some really brilliant psychological insights.
Oh,
And the reviews said that it addresses two different individuals, one who is bold enough to face who she is and portrays her true self in front of the world and fights it, and the other one who wants to be accepted and pretends to be someone to be accepted and passes as someone else. So we get to see the paths and consequences of both the perspectives. So
characters.
that's
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah, and also it addresses racial violence and
Yeah. And I
inequalities.
think educating ourselves about that is really important with what's happening right now. So,
Yeah, and
good.
also we get to see, the other side of the world who are not getting the privileges and opportunities as everybody else.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of inequality. So I'm really excited to read this book and review it as soon as possible.
Yeah. I hope you
Yeah.
read this book as soon as possible also.
Yeah.
So, on the next book that I have chosen is called The Guest List. It's written by Lucy Foley. So The Guest List was a bestseller in 2019, and this book is about Jules and Will's wedding. It's a luxurious wedding set in an island of Ireland.
Wow.
Everything is set, and they're about to get married the next day. They're almost about to get married until everything starts going wrong. Uh, the past jealousies of people start surfacing, previous resentments start coming to picture, and the bridesmaid has ruined her dress, and groomsmen are getting drunk inappropriately. So all this is happening, and there
Wow,
ends
this
up
sounds
to
like
be a
a cliched
yeah,
modern day
no
wedding.
wait, and there ends up to be a dead body.
Whoa, what?
Yeah, and it's
Wow.
called the guest list, and the punchline is you'd kill to be on it. So I think the cover of the book itself keeps you hooked, and I just cannot wait to read this book. And both the books that I have chosen is a pick of Reese Witherspoon's book club. It's called Hello Sunshine Book Club, and I love Reese Witherspoon. And for people who don't know, I think you should follow it on Instagram and Twitter. It's called Hello Sunshine Book Club. She kind of picks books every month for people to read, and which she has read, and she suggests people to read it.
The second book I've chosen is called 28 Summers. It's written by Ellen Hildebrand. This is also one of the bestsellers, and it is praised by the New York Times. This is a love story between Mallory and Jake, but interestingly, they're married to two different people. And it is and this book is about their love affair, which goes on for 28 summers.
Oh my God.
So, but unfortunately, I don't think we get to see a happy ending, because 28 summer may be the last summer for Jake and Mallory, as Mallory breaks out of bad news.
Oh,
So
and we
I
don't
wonder
know
what that
about
is
the
and
bad news.
how how it'll turn out.
Yeah, sounds interesting. So we really hope you like this video, because it's a video call, and we're still trying to shoot videos through video calls. And thanks for watching.
So passionate about books.
Yeah, we are. That is there.
And if you guys have any of your own bucket list of books, like, please share it on the comments.
Yeah, please let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.
Try to review the books as soon as possible.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.